Tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
And a very unfortunate situation going on there north of the Grand Rapids area, north of Interstate 96, where they saw the heaviest of the rainfall as we went through the weekend. Area south of there not nearly as concerned about. They saw less rain. The other big story across southwest lower Michigan has been the incredible change in air masses that occurred over just the last 4 to 6 hours. We had a very strong low pressure system and frontal boundary move through the area. Look at the difference in temperatures right now from just 24 hours ago. In Grand Rapids, it is 24 degrees colder right now than it was midday on Sunday afternoon. 16 degrees colder in Fremont. Look at Sturgis and Kalamazoo. 31 degrees colder. These are the actual air temps. You can see the evidence of that frontal boundary. Just 39 now in Grand Rapids. If you were watching me on Daybreak this morning, we had temperatures that were in the mid-60s still. Even Jackson, which had been holding in the 50s, is now down to 48 degrees. And once these temps make it into the 30s in your location, we are going to see them generally level off. We could see a little bit of a light rain snow mix developing this afternoon, continuing into this evening, and even overnight we're going to see those temperatures fall into the 20s. And I mentioned earlier some accumulating snow is possible. Folks, we're not talking about a ton of snow here, not 6 or 8 inches, but trace to 1-inch amounts are possible. And that's going to be enough to make the roads very, very slick tomorrow morning. Those secondary and side roads, perhaps roads that don't see any type of salt or de-icer, are going to be very slippery. Also pay close attention to the parking lots, any sidewalks that had standing water on them, because that is going to freeze over and become black ice by the time you head to work, school, and the bus stop tomorrow morning. Warmer air does filter in after a very cold Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We see those temps eventually making it back to near average. So Storm Track Live radar pretty quiet across southwest lower Michigan. A few rain showers trying to develop and maintain themselves near Fort Wayne. Those could clip the southeastern portion of the area. And we do see another batch of some very light precipitation within the last hour trying to develop back to our southwest. We'll keep a close eye on that as we head through the afternoon. Winds now generally out of the northwest at about 15 to 25 miles an hour. That pushes the feels like readings into the 20s. Remember, yesterday we were talking about temps in some locations near 70 for a good portion of the day. It feels like it's just 26 right now in Fremont and 28 degrees in Muskegon. Welcome to spring in West Michigan. How about that for you? Here's the FUTURECAST at 5 o'clock. This particular model just showing cloudy skies. I would not be surprised to see a light rain snow mix across a portion of the area. We'll stop it for you at midnight. Notice some light snow is illustrated here. Definitely a possibility. Not expecting anything heavy. However, this is just enough to make the roads very slick. Even if your location only sees trace amounts of snow, maybe not even enough to need to use that snow scraper, that brush that's in your car, roads could still be slick as you head out to work and school at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. We see the snow wind down during the morning hours and will actually be dry through the afternoon tomorrow, but try as they might, temps only make it into the mid-30s. We're back up to 51 on Wednesday. Should be a nice day. Thursday looks good too, up to 61, and chance for a few showers on Friday. At this point, Sue, the rain showers coming here for Friday, potentially into Saturday, do not look heavy, so they shouldn't exacerbate those flooding issues anymore. And of course, tune in tonight starting at 5 o'clock. We will have an update for you, river levels, as well as those plummeting air temps.
That's true. Okay, Laura, thank you very much. We'll continue to watch what's going on with the rivers.